Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is Simply Earth unboxing. I'm a little late to the party on this one, but I want to show you guys what is in this month's June box. So they do sell out really quickly. That's why I said I'm kind of late for the party, because usually around like the 15th, 16th of every month, they start to run low on their boxes. So I have used Simply Earth's essential oils for years. I want to say 3 years now, and I am absolutely obsessed with them. You can never have enough essential oils. You can never have enough recipes. I love the recipe box they send me every single month. So this is a recipe box. You get 4 full-size essential oils, you get 6 recipe cards, and then you get all the little special goodies to go along with making some of the recipes. Also, your first time you purchase this, you receive a big box or a big bonus box. So you receive all of like the starter like oils and everything you will need. So you'll receive like coconut oil, your carrier oils, your roller balls, you receive your diffuser bottles, and you receive almond oil, beeswax, just everything that you'll need to start up with your recipe box. It's super fun. I love making these recipes. I'm really excited about this one. And this is their garden and summer box. So let me just open this and show you what's in it. It is $39 a month for their recipe box. You can cancel anytime. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. So if you have any issues, you can call them. They are great. This company is just absolutely great. So it's $39 for the first month. And like I said, with your first month, you receive that free bonus box. It's a huge box full of fun essential oil add-ons, and then you also, if you use my code KRISTINKAYFREE, you'll receive a free $40 gift card. So 40 bucks for a $40 gift card and tons of stuff. Super, definitely well worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. We got lemongrass, mandarin oil, citronella, and good vibes. So citronella, if you probably already know, but citronella, like, that is going to keep mosquitoes away. So that is really exciting. I had a citronella plant last year. It got huge, and I would just carry it around wherever I went in the summertime, and it worked great. So I'm kind of excited that I actually have that for an essential oil. So like I said, you receive like accessories to go along with your recipes. So I have a little spray bottle, floating wicks, and then dried peppermint leaves, and then 2 of these little, they're like little cardboard. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be making chapstick. I love these because they're just made out of cardboard. So that's kind of nice, no plastic. All right, so you also receive stickers so you can label everything. I love now that you can just take your little sticker like this says Mandarin on it, and you can just put it right at the top of your essential oil. So no matter how you organize these, you will know your essential oil. All right, so recipes. This one is Summer Lovin' Lip Balm. I knew we were gonna make lip balm. Surfs Up Diffuser Blend. We have a garden spray. And like, I'm gonna just tell you this real quick. Like, this is how easy these recipes are. The ingredients is water, 2 drops of lemongrass essential oil, and a spray bottle. So you get your spray bottle, you get your lemongrass oil, and you have water. So perfect. Citronella floating candle, 3 jars or glass containers. So that's where I always run into issues every time I make these, because I want to make stuff and then I don't have the jars or anything like that to make them. I really should like open this before I do an unboxing, but we have Peppermint Infused Oil and Bug Off Roll-On. I'm super excited about this Bug Off Roll-On. So we have woods in the back of our house, a pond, and we always have so many mosquitoes. So I really want to try this. I hope it works because it is 100% all natural. So you're not buying all that nasty off and etc, etc. So I am really excited about this. So let's make some recipes. Okay, so the first thing I normally do is I just grab the diffuser blend recipe and I just throw it right into my diffuser. And I just really love diffusing anything while I make my recipes. I don't know if it gets me more excited or it makes my house smell better or it just makes me happy, but it always just like really sends off like some really good vibes every single time I start my diffuser blend. It's super easy. Grab a diffuser. I picked mine up at Walmart. You just add your water, add your essential oil, and turn it on, and my kitchen always smells absolutely amazing every time I do this. So I wanted to make the bug off roll-on first, and this was so easy to do. You just use one of your little roller ball containers or roller ball. Why can't I think of what that is called? Anyways, that comes with your big bonus box along with the coconut oil I'll be using in a second. So you always add your essential oils first, and then you just squeeze the coconut oil into your little bottle and just shake it up really good, and you have a bug off roll on. I will tell you, I did test this out. We haven't really had too many mosquitoes yet, but I will tell you right now, it is so strong. I don't think that any mosquito would want to be around me if they did smell me. So I'm hoping it works, because honestly, mosquitoes love me so much. So I hope that this works. Smells great. Garden spray, this was really easy too. All you do is grab your little spray bottle from your recipe box. You add your essential oils, fill it up with distilled water, shake it up, and you're good to go. You can spray it in your garden, around your home, and how easy is that? I also want to do this peppermint infused oil. This one was really easy as well. You just use the little dried peppermint flakes, dried peppermint leaves. I think it's leaves, definitely leaves. And then a 1/4 cup of almond oil. Like I said, that also comes with your big box as well when you order for the first time for Simply Earth. One other thing that I do love about Simply Earth, you guys, for every purchase, 13% of that goes back into stop and fight human trafficking, which I am 100% for. So I absolutely love what this company has to offer. But you guys, KRISTINKAYFREE to get your free $40 gift card when you first start out with your Simply Earth box. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Pushing the past again, oh. You know my